So today we're having a little bit of fun. We're gonna tackle Patrick's big old Dodge Ram 1500, and we are going to paint the brake calipers red. I think it'll look pretty good.
Should have loosened before we jacked it.
Yeah, we should have loosened before we jacked it up. Yeah, we didn't think about that, but you know, we're two guys, it's a football, you know how it is. So Patrick's sanding. I'm eating Taco Bell. Yeah, getting it ready for paint. Well, sanding it and cleaning it first, then we're gonna get it painted. I'm eating Taco Bell. Good stuff. So we're working on caliper 2 now because we got both tires off so we can get them done at the same time so they dry faster. And yeah, always something to do because we got other stuff we got to get done. That one's looking a lot better than the other one was. Yeah, cool. Getting one of them taped up and got the bag to protect, and we got a lot more taping to do so we can start the painting. First we're going to prime it, guys. Yes, we've already cleaned it, then we're going to prime it, and then we're going to paint it, and then we're going to go yard sailing, and then we're going to come back and finish it. Well, Patrick's going to go home, I'm going yard sailing, so it should be fun. So I'm over here taping this side up real quick before we put the bag on it. Patrick's already started painting, so we're going to show you the primer here in a little bit, but I got to get couple more things taped up here because yeah, there's a lot of components you got to tape on these things because you don't want to get paint on them. So yeah, hopefully I can get it all covered up and not mess it up. So we got it partially primed. Get the rest of it here in a little bit, and then she's gonna look good, and then we'll get started on the other side. All right, let's get some paint, Patrick. Let's get some paint. Uh-oh, he got the rattle can, got the primer going. He's gonna get it. Brothers and sisters, here we go. We're gonna paint it and make it look real good. I don't know what's wrong with me today, guys. Probably sniffing paint fumes.
I think that's what it is.
That's probably what it is. It's getting there. Oh, that smells so good. Overspray all over the Corvette. That's all right. It needs paint anyway.
No.
I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. So yeah, starting it and getting that primer on. I'm gonna go do the other side and then come back and put some paint on it. Yeah, gonna look real good. Now we're gonna do caliper number 2. Get that caliper painted. Yeah, get it done. Yeah, it's been no breeze all day. We start painting and then a breeze comes out.
That's how it happens.
That's how it happens. Yeah, it's not too hard. I'm gonna get a little overspray. It ain't too bad. It's just gray. It don't look bad. So yeah, that's all there is to it. And then we're gonna paint it red. It's gonna look so pretty. Coat number 3 on this side. She almost ready for some paint. It's gonna look nice and smooth. So this is just about ready for paint. We gotta let it dry. But the other day we changed these. I was gonna do a video out of it, but we got them done so quick, it wasn't worth it. It was like a whole 51-second video. So yeah, now we're doing this. Always something to do. Coat number 2 on the driver's side. I think I'm gonna stand upwind instead of downwind. I don't want to get primered. I'm primed enough. Wow, so easy. I think I'm gonna do the Corvette next. I'm gonna do mine yellow. Yeah, that'll look good. I think I should do Ranolins too over here. Maybe some metallic blue ought to look good on that. Yeah, I think we should do metallic blue on that one. Do some yellow on the Corvette, and then you actually see the brake calipers, because right now the way the wheels are, they're hidden. This is gonna look sharp, Patrick. This is gonna look sharp. Well, she's dry. Now we're gonna hit it with the first coat of paint, and we don't have to be a graffiti artist to do this. That's the best part. Ooh, jinx. That's gonna look sharp. Gotta put a light coat 3 times because you don't want to end up with that stuff running or globbing or doing some goofy stuff. Beautiful part about that primer is you can see where the red goes.
Right.
So this is gonna look sharp, Patrick. It's already looking good and you ain't even done nothing yet. Nope.
Switch sides.
Switch sides with me. Got to get the right angle. That's gonna look real good. All right, cool. So I didn't record all the painting because it's kind of boring and I didn't think about it. We already put the tire on, but that looks pretty sharp right there. With the wheel and tire on, that red's gonna look good. But since it's getting dark, it's dinner time, we're actually gonna call it a day and probably come back in a couple days and finish the back. So we'll see you in a few days. So we had a rain delay because of the weather. So we're now gonna finish up the back 2 calipers on Patrick's truck, make them red. It's gonna look good. Well, we got the wheels off and this one's not too bad. We got to clean it up real quick, but the other one over here is rusted. So we're gonna have to do a little bit more cleaning. Maybe it's because it's in the shadow, but we might have to put some brake pads too. Dang. But yeah, we're gonna get it all cleaned up, make it purty, and then paint them red. So we'll see you in a few. Ooh, that sanded down real pretty like, and now we're gonna clean it. Make it look even better. Wow, it's looking almost brand new.
Yes, it is.
That's pretty. Let's go look at that other side right quick. Let's see what this one says. Ooh, that one came out real nice. Throw some spray on there. Oh yeah, that looks almost brand new too. That rust, it's amazing what a little bit of sandpaper does to stuff. Cool, cool. 3 coats of primer later, and we got it ready to go. Let's go look at the passenger side. It doesn't dry as fast in the shade, but that's looking sharp. So yeah, we're gonna do 3 coats of paint and I'll show you what that looks like. Getting that first coat of red on, it looks pretty awful. I mean, awful pretty. It does look good. That's gonna look real good. Ooh, that's sharp. That's just the first coat. We got 2 more to go on this side and 3 on the other side. The 3rd coat is done. Now we're gonna wait for that to dry. We're gonna take all that off and then we're gonna put the wheels on. Patrick's finishing up the 3rd coat on this side just to make her look purty. Oh, we look purty. Look how purty that is. So purty, purty, purty. Yeah, and then we're gonna, like I said, put them big old heavy wheels on. Patrick's gonna do that because I'm a wimp. And then we're gonna, yeah, see what she looks like with the wheels on. Oh, that looked pretty right there. Dang, that looks so purty. Get them wheels on, that's gonna look sharp as a tack. We still gotta take a little bit of tape off on this one. This one over here, Patrick's doing a quick touch up. And then we're gonna, yeah, look how pretty that is. And them clips so shiny. Oh, that look pretty, pretty, pretty. Real pretty.
My name is Doug.
That is one big tire.
That's a big tire right there, boy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I need some French fried taters and mustard. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, that looks pretty sharp. So, yeah. That looks real hot right there. So, we got it all done. Came out looking sharp. Only took us, what, 5 days? Because we had bad weather for 2 and I was out of town for 1. And then, yeah, it looks good. So make sure you give my video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not. Go ahead, hit that notification bell. And yeah, make sure you comment and share the video. Those are the front ones we did the other day. This thing's looking sharp. Beautiful truck.